Hello everyone. Dear students, today I will discuss the chapter The Rat Trap from your book Flamingo. It is written by a Swedish writer, Selma Lagerlöf. This story is very interesting story, and it contains a universal message that is essential goodness in a person can be awakened through love, sympathy, kindness and affection. In the story, the protagonist is a rat trap seller, a vagabond who is poverty stricken. He sells rat traps and also gets indulged in petty thievery also to make his both ends meet. But with the passage of time, when other characters are introduced in the story, transformation starts taking place in this character, and towards the end of the story we'll find that this man transforms completely into a good human being. The goodness which was lying hidden in him, it is awakened through love, kindness and affection. The writer has metaphorically compared the world to a rat trap. This metaphorical interpretation of the world is really beautifully conveyed through this story, and I'm sure you will find the story quite interesting. Before I explain the summary, let's know something about its writer, Selma Lagerlöf, who was born on 20th November 1858 and who died on 16th March 1940. A brief introduction of the writer. Selma Lagerlöf was a Swedish writer whose stories have been translated into many languages. A universal theme runs through all of them. That is, a belief that the essential goodness in a human being can be awakened through understanding and love. This story is set amidst the mines of Sweden, which were rich in iron ore, which figure large in history and legends of that country. The story is told somewhat in the manner of a fairy tale. Let's talk about the main points of the story. The Rat Trap is a story that underlines a belief that essential goodness in human beings can be aroused through sympathy, understanding and love. Once a man went around selling small rat traps, but he took to begging and thievery also to keep his body and soul together. One day he was struck with the idea that the whole world is nothing but a big rat trap, and it offers riches as bait. Bait is something which attracts you, which tempts you. People let themselves to be tempted to touch the bait, then it closes in on them, bringing an end to everything. People let themselves be tempted to touch the bait, then it closes on them, bringing an end to everything. One dark evening, the rat trap peddler sought shelter in an old crofter's roadside cottage. The old man gave him food, tobacco, and everything. They enjoyed the card game too. Next morning, the peddler stole away his 30 kroners. The rat trap peddler escaped into a big, confusing forest and got lost. While resting on the ground, he recollected his idea that the world is a rat trap and thought that his end was now near. Hearing a thumping sound, he reached Ramzu Ironworks for a night shelter. Ramzu Ironworks, it's an iron mill. The owner came on his nightly rounds and noticed the ragged wretch near the furnace. He took him as an old acquaintance, Niels Ole. He invited him to stay with them for Christmas, but the stranger declined the offer. His daughter Edla Wilmensen persuaded him to come home with her. She requested him to stay for Christmas Eve only. On his way to the manor house, the peddler thought that he had thrown himself into the lion's den. The next day, in broad daylight, the ironmaster realized that the stranger was not the captain and threatened to call the sheriff. He threatened to hand him over to the police. Edla pleaded for him and asked him to stay back. Christmas Eve at Ramzu Iron Mill was as usual, and stranger slept and slept. He thoroughly enjoyed his stay at the manor house. She made him understand that if he wanted rest and peace, he would be welcome next Christmas also. This had a miraculous effect on him. Next morning, they went for church early in the morning, church service, leaving behind the guest who was asleep. They learned at church that a rat trap peddler had robbed an old crofter. Edla becomes very upset. They reach home immediately and learn that the peddler had already left but had not taken anything at all with him. Instead, he had left a small packet for the young girl as a Christmas present. She opens the packet and finds a rat trap, three wrinkled 10 kroner notes, and also a letter with a request to return the kroners to the crofter. So here we come to know that this peddler or the rat trap seller has undergone a complete transformation. It happened just because of the love, affection, understanding and kind nature of Edla Wilmensen, who treated him as a special guest on the eve of Christmas, and this is how he underwent change, and finally he got transformed into a good human being, and also returned the 30 kroners which he had stolen from the crofter. So the theme has been clearly conveyed by Selma Lagerlöf in this chapter, that this understanding, love and kindness can change even the worst kind of human being into a good person. Thank you.